Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Happy Friday, it's Jeff from Mantiques Network. How you doing today? And what we have here is a 1956 VALVOLINE motor oil clock you would have found in some type of gas station. It has been made by the Pam Clock Company in New Rochelle, New York in 1956. It's really in nice shape. If you take a look at the reverse glass in the back, really chippy to see the R and motor and a little bit in the 12. The can is in really good shape. If you are into gas and oil, this might be right up their alley, or just into vintage advertising. A lot of people have been asking me, what do they start with something like this? Jim, can you unplug it so we can take everyone what it looks like when it's not plugged in? Again, it is keeping time, except when we unplug it like this. But it's really a nice clock. These are hard to come by when they have them still working and have them unmolested like this. So if you're into this type of advertising, this is for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.